So most of you are facing issue in this particular lab. So here is the updated solution for it. First of all, click on Start Lab. And you won't require these credits because if you are doing it as a part of any arcade games, then it does not require any credits. Simply click on Start Lab and just come over here. Right click, open the Cloud Console Incognito window. Now here it will be signing in automatically. Now here, the first thing what you need to do, remove this unwanted pop-up from here, and from here, just click on this cloud storage. Now click on create bucket. Now come to the lab instructions. And if you want this yellow check my progress bar, check the video description. Now we have to create a bucket. Okay, that will be standard class and we have to uncheck this setting. Okay, so first of all, let me copy the project ID. As it is globally unique, it will be best for making a project. So just come over here, set it, continue. And from here, we have to change it to region, your central one. In my case, the region is different. In your case, the region will be also different. So you have to check it out. Now continue. And in the public accent prevention, you have to uncheck this checkbox. Even by mistake, if you just click on create, here another pop-up will come. So you have to simply uncheck it. In case you forgot it, how you can just do it, come to the permission section and just click on this remove public prevention and confirm it. So like this, all things are done, right? Now after that, what we need to do over here, first of all, check the score. We created a bucket. Now we have to upload this image. So for that, just right click over here. First of all, just do one thing, copy this name. Carefully copy the name, right click, save images as, okay, right click, save images as, and paste the name and just save it. Now just, yes, all things are done. Now what you need to do, you have to just come over here, back to the bucket, click on the bucket over here, and then simply you have to upload the file. So you can just upload the file directly. You have to click on upload files and just upload the kitten file. So it's very simple. You have to click on upload and just locate the file and click on upload. Okay, this thing we have done. I hope you understood how we are doing it. Now just check the score for this task. Now here we have to share it publicly. Now here only most people are facing issue. Just copy this all users. Click on this permissions, grant access. Just paste all users and click on anywhere. And this here, we have to select which role. Let me just verify. Storage object viewer. And just click on save. Allow public access. It's updating. It will take some time. I hope you understood how we uploaded the file in the bucket, right? Because it's very simple. Just like you upload an image, you must have used it. Now just come over here and check the score. So this is how we complete the lab. And thank you. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.